Welcome to the TikTok Shop Connector by SPL. In this video, I'll guide you about how to sync your Shopify products with TikTok Shop in real time. Open the app in Shopify Admin Panel. Now go to Settings option here. Open the Product Settings. Here you can see the option of Auto Sync Settings. If you select Auto here, you'll be able to sync inventory, product status, product title, product description, images, price, and variance, whatever you want. This means if you make a change, the inventory or price, etc. in Shopify, our app will automatically make those changes in the TikTok Shop product. Let's try it. Open the product in Shopify. Let's add variance and change the product price for testing. I have made changes in the product. Now open same product in TikTok Shop. Here you can see the changes have been updated here also by our app. But if we select manual option, then we'll have to make changes by ourselves manually using the editor given in the app. Click on the edit option given in front of the product you wish to edit. Here you can make any changes. They would only be applied to the product in TikTok Shop and not to Shopify. You can also optimize your product by adding attributes for better ranking in TikTok Shop. Now open same product in TikTok Shop. You can see the changes have been applied to the product in TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching.